Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me today from Integrated Payment Technologies is CEO Dean Martin. Dean, welcome to FNN.
Thanks, Rachel. Great to be here.
Now, InPayTech provides software solutions to improve the efficiency of accounting and super payments. Can you tell us more?
InPayTech provide elegant and secure payment solutions that enable our clients to meet and exceed the requirements of the ATO and their customers. In short, we remove manual steps and streamline payment processes. For example, our solutions facilitate auto-reconciliation, which saves countless hours for small business and large enterprises.
And Dean, what are the key drivers for your solutions?
InPayTech have an internationally patented process which enables us to permanently link any amount of data with any payment. The benefits of that are that InPayTech is compatible with any payment system. It can facilitate varied access control across any party in the payment and is easily integrated into the existing security and compliance framework.
Thanks, Dean. Now let's talk about your product suite. Can you start by giving me an update on ClickSuper?
ClickSuper has had a new channel partner join us every month for the last 6 months. We've also enhanced ClickSuper to include STP or Single Touch Payroll. So what we can now do is facilitate SuperStream, single touch payroll, compliance all with a single button push. But really what that means for our customers is that they have a single service provider and a single solution to meet the needs of their customers.
And what can you tell me about PayVu?
PayVu, our latest product, is designed to really provide an accounts payable solution for bookkeepers and accountants. What it does is remove the need for low value customer contact, rework, and double handling. What I mean by that, typically when a bookkeeper or an accountant is involved in a payment for their customers, there is a pre-approval process required, there's follow-up required to make sure those payments are made, and there's often rework where the business owner doesn't have the money or doesn't want to pay the same group of people that they'd agree to as closely as the night before. So the transformative element of PayVu is a simple idea of swiping left for anything that I don't want to pay and swiping right for anything I do want to pay. What that means and why that's transformative is, as a bookkeeper, I don't need your pre-approval now. I just recommend what I think you need to pay. You, as a business owner or financial controller, can then simply in the moment decide what you will and won't pay, and PayVu does the rest. It'll send the remittance advice to the supplier, it'll send the superannuation data to the funds, it'll update the accounting software, and it'll synchronise it all in an app. So all those manual processes, all that low value contact is removed from the process, and you really let a bot or an application do that work for you.
Excellent. And Dean, what can you tell me about the market opportunity?
With PayVu, we with its transformative nature and the ability to really spend a minute instead of an hour for each client you're making payments for, you can now offer a complete accounts payable solution to all your clients. Where there's an application, or to use the latest marketing jargon on, a robot which actually does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You simply spend 1 minute per client per pay run. That might be weekly, that might be monthly, whatever's the right frequency or cadence for that client, and your work's done within a minute.
And finally, Dean, is there anything else you'd like to add?
So what we're seeing is a paradigm shift from really people thinking about security, oh, once it's with me it's secure, or to really what is the end-to-end process? How do I make sure that my members' data, my clients' data, my employees' data is secure in the full journey from the employer to the fund, from the business paying to the supplier? There's no need to ever export data anymore and really have it subject to identity fraud or manipulation. So one of the what you might be aware of, last month ASX revealed that up to $10 million was ripped out of trading and superannuation accounts, and that's because identity fraud was perpetrated first. What we're saying now and what we're seeing increasingly is that all participants in the payment ecosystem need to be aware of not what's just happening at one end, but what's happening at both ends. How do we keep this data secure end to end? And InPayTech are really focused on delivering those solutions.
Great. Dean Martin, thanks for the update.
Pleasure. Thanks, Rachel. Thanks for having me.